Good morning friends, I am Musole Sunil. I present to you concept of business. My subject is business administration. Introduction. All human beings require different types of goods and services to satisfy their needs, so they keep themselves busy and do some activity through their life. All activities can be classified as economic activity and non-economic activity. See here chart. Human activity, non-economic activity, then economic activity. In economic activity, first business, second one profession, and third one employment. Non non-economic activity means those human activities which are performed to satisfy personal, social, religious, cultural and sentimental requirement without monetary expectation. For example, reading books, serving people, cooking by mother, etc. These are the non-economic activity. Then economic activity, action that involve production, distribution, consumption of goods and services at all levels within a society is called economic activity. For example, workers working in factory. Thus, economic activity facilitate earning living wood. Then we explain business concept. Here, business represent organized efforts by an individual or group of individuals. It is a systematic attempt by business person to produce goods and service and sell them in the market to wrap the reward by way of profit. It satisfies multiple and complex needs of business society. Production of the goods actually means making of goods. It may be agriculture product or finished goods in factories. Goods can be produced with the manpower or with the help of machines. For example, cultivating price of land and growing food grains is an example of agriculture production. However, converting oil seeds into edible oil with the help of manpower as well as machine power, it is an example of manufacturing of the goods. Distribution include marketing of goods and services. It involves transport, warehousing, advertising, which facilitates transfer of goods from producer to final consumer. We see next slide, definition of business. Professor Hene, business activities are all those human activities which are directed toward the production and processing of wealth. Next definition, the organized efforts of individuals to produce and sell for a profit the goods and services that satisfy society's need. Now we explain with chart. Here see classification of business activities. Business activities classified in main two group. First industry and second one commerce. In industry there are three sub point, means primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. And in commerce, trade, auxiliaries to trade. First we explain industry. In industry Basically, industry constructed with the production of goods and providing services, while its commerce mainly concerned with their distribution. In industry implied the economic activity are associated with conversion of resources into goods that are ready for use. In basically primary industry, agriculture industry, and genetic industry, and extraction industry. Agriculture industry depend on nature, means primary industry basically depend on nature, and secondary industry, the secondary industry depend on primary industry. Secondary industry depend on primary industry. In secondary industry, agriculture product used for raw material and make a finished goods which is usable for use for consumption. In secondary industry, manufacturing industry and construction industry are included. Then next, territory industry. In territory industries provide support services to primary and secondary industry. Facility for by industries, it include transport, banking, which comes under territory industry. Then we explain commerce. In commerce, basically in equation, commerce is equal to trade plus accelerates to trade. Commerce is a part of business activity which concern with the distribution of goods and services produced by industry. It is include all those activity which are essential for mainly a free and uninterrupted flow of goods. Commerce bridge the gap between producers and consumers by exchange of goods and services for money or money's worth. Commerce is further divided into trade and auxiliaries to trade. Then we explain trade. Trade denoted by buying and selling of goods and services. Trade is an exchange of goods and services with money or money's worth. Goods are made available consumer in different markets. Transport facility, transfer trade facility, transfer of ownership and possession of goods and services from seller to the buyer. Trade classified in two group. First, home trade, and also is known as also internal trade, and other foreign trade or external trade or international trade. In home trade, wholesale trade and retail trade included, and foreign trade, import, export, and interport means re-export. These are the included in trade, foreign trade or external trade. Then auxiliaries to trade. Auxiliaries to trade means without auxiliaries not completed trading activity, means transport facility which is very necessary for commerce, for trade. Then as well as warehousing, insurance, banking, advertising, mercantile agents, communication, these are the main auxiliaries to trade. uh, Auxiliaries to trade for making suitable trading activity. That's why this concept is very needful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.